Good day mga kakriminolohiya, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome to our today's criminology educational video. Before we start our today's discussion, please do hit like and subscribe for more criminology educational video. Maraming salamat po. Police Regional Offices. Meron bang Police Regional Offices? Yes po. Ang tinatawag natin dito is PRO. Okay. Yung PRO po natin, the PNP shall always maintain operating units, which is 17. 17 po yung Police Regional Offices natin. Nationwide po yung regional offices natin. 17 po sila, which corresponds to regional subdivision of the country. Kasi 17 regions po tayo. So, dapat po, there should always be 17 police regional offices. Directly under the police regional offices, ano po bang nasa control ni regional offices? Regional Public Safety Battalion. Police Provincial Offices, kasama na rin po yung Police Provincial Offices natin, which corresponds number to provinces of the country. Every provinces, there should always be police provincial office. And also, city police offices, or shall we say CPOs, or the city police offices, in highly dependent po sa mga klase ng city, is urbanized or independent cities po yung tinatawag. It also equivalent, remember po, the city police office is equivalent to a provincial police office po. Okay? So, baka may nagtatanong dyan, sabihin, yung city po ba, under po ba ng province? Hindi siya under ng province kasi yung city, equivalent niya po yung provincial police office. They are not under with the provincial police office, they are equivalent. When you say equivalent, katumbas po ng provincial police office and city police offices. Police provincial offices po ng PNP. They should always have the respective provincial public safety companies. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina. If it's regional public safety battalion po ang tawag. But if ang tawag po, if it's in the province, state, or level of the province, then they will be called Provincial Public Safety Company, hindi po Provincial Public Safety Battalion. Right? Okay. Which is utilized, ano po bang purpose? Primarily po, it's for internal security operation or ISO po ng Philippine National Police. Ang purpose po ng Regional Public Safety Battalion and Provincial Public Safety Battalion is for internal security operation. The number of platoon, ilang platoon po ba dapat ang meron sa Provincial Public Safety Company is dependent on the existing peace and order situation. Magdidepende po sa province peace and order situation. If yung province po ninyo is mostly nasa high risk siya, then makakonsider po na maraming platoon po ang nandyan sa Provincial Public Safety Company. Followed here are police stations. Police stations are established nationwide. And they are categorized as follows. Ito po yung mga categories ng police stations natin. Component police stations. Component city police stations po, yung una. Followed by municipal police stations. Okay? When we say municipal police station, it should be under with the police provincial offices. Under po siya ng PPO. Yung kawalan ng PPO, yung municipal police station natin. But, police station under city. May mga police stations po tayo na under city police offices. Yung mga station 1, station 2, ganon. So, police stations or city police stations in the National Capital Region Police Office, which serve as main operating arms of the PNP in anti-criminality campaign. So, the NCR po yan. Right? Okay. So, ito po yung PNP organizational structure natin. As of March 2018, latest po nila na tinatawag natin na organizational structure of the PNP. As of March 2018, Okay? For the head of the organization is the chief PNP. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na deputy for administration, deputy for operation, and the head of the directorial staff. Okay? Okay, ito po yung tinatawag natin. And we have the IAS, the Center for Police Strategy Management, Human Rights Affairs Office. Ito pa, ito pa. And we have here are the directorial staff. Okay. In personnel, in logistic, controllership, information and communication, human resource and doctrine development, research and development plans, intelligence, investigation and detective management, operation, and yung 5 Directorate for Integrated Police Offices. Yung isa sa, yung 5 is naka-sector siya in our country. And Directorate for Police Community Relations, sama rin po yan. And remember, this directorial staff is being supported by Administrative Support Unit or Police Support Unit, which is Administrative and Operational Support Unit. Yung administrative po, nandito yung chaplain, yung legal services natin, yung health, yung retirement, yung engineering, yung headquarter support service, logistics, finance, communication electronics, information technology management, training services of the PNP which provides training of their PNP. Ano po bang kaibahan ng Philippine Public Safety College to the training services of the Philippine National Police? Kasi yung Philippine Public Safety College po nila, nagbibigay po ng training sa PNP which is ang purpose po is for promotion. But the training services of the Philippine National Police, nagbibigay din po sila ng training, but the purpose is in-service training po ang nangyayari. Ibig sabihin, yung mga personnel na gustong mag-training or nangangailangan ng training in investigation, sila na po talaga ang naghahanap ng training o sila po talaga ang nagko-compose ng program or training for the improvement of the PNP personnel. Operational Support Unit, Intelligence, Criminal Investigation Group, Crime Laboratory, Cybercrime, Highway Patrol, Civil Security Group, yung mga security guards natin, Drug Enforcement Group, yes pa, Maritime Group, PNP Anti-Kidnapping, EOD or K9 Unit natin, Aviation Security Group, Special Action Force, Police Security and Protection Group. If you are high-ranking government officials, private officials, then your life is at risk. You can ask for police escort. You can ask into this Police Security and Protection Group, Police Community Relation Group, and susunod po is the NCR, the National Capital Region, and yung mga ibang regions pa po. Kasama na po yan ang Police Regional Office 1, 2, and 3, 5, 13, ERMM, CAR, Calabar Zone, and Memaropa. So sa NCR po natin, may 5 district offices po tayo. And sa NCR din po, may Regional Mobile Force Battalion din po yung NCR. And NCR District Mobile Force Battalion, yes, under po siya ng 5 district offices. And we have police stations and substations in the NCR po. When we say NCR, National Capital Region po siya. Bakit po iniba ang National Capital Region to the regular police regional offices? Kasi mas malaki po ang NCR compared to other regions. Right? Okay. So, next is the police regional offices. Nandiyan na po yung tinatawag nating Regional Mobile Force Battalion. Sa Regional Mobile Force Battalion, under po sila ng regional office. Followed, baba po ng regional office is tinatawag nating Police Provincial Offices. Remember, ang city police offices is katumbas po ng province. Okay. Under this police provincial offices, may tinatawag po tayong Provincial Mobile Force Company. May tinatawag natin. And under with city police offices, may tinatawag din po silang City Mobile Force Company. Right? And then, sa baba po ng police provincial office are the municipal and component city police station and tinatawag nating precinct. And sa city police office, CPO police stations. Okay, yung city police office police stations po. Station 1, Station 2, Station 3, ganon po. So that's our police organizational structure. Okay? That's all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more criminology educational video. Let's see each other and see each other. Good day and bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more criminology educational video. Let's see each other and see each other. Good day and bye-bye.